Okay, enough distractions. Let's get to Highmarch and see what's really going on down south. Need to speak to the gate guard and show him my pass.
Something I can help you with.
I have orders here from the mayor allowing me passage.
Let me have a look at that. Ah yes, this is all in order, but be warned, something has been attacking travelers along the south road for a while now, and it could be dangerous.
Thanks for the warning, I'll be careful.
I'll open the gate for you. Good luck.
Feels good to be out of that damn rain. Look at this.
I bet this is Olaf's last volunteer. Keep your eyes peeled and we won't end up like this guy.
I need some better armor anyway.
Look out, a wolf.
That must be what's causing problems around here. Looks like the wolves got this guy, poor bastard.
I'm overloaded. Think you could carry this iron for the blacksmith?
Sure.
Locked. Help me break it.
Can always use more gold.
More wolves.
It's definitely the wolves killing travelers.
Let's see if we can lower their numbers.
They are everywhere.
Damn wolves. Gotcha. Let's keep moving. There's bound to be more wolves afoot.
Vesin, I think I see a cave back there.
Okay, let's check it out. Definitely a cave. I smell death.
More wolves.
Poor guy.
I could use some rest.
As could I.
Okay, let's rest here. Let's get moving.
Shit. That's a big wolf.
I heard another one running this way.
I can see a camp over there. Let's check it out.
It's too quiet.
Ambush. We searched the camp. Nothing but a bunch of frozen corpses.
Halt, who seeks entry into Highmarch.
I am Vesin, and I have some important information for the captain of the guard.
Oh, let me see them. This seems to be in order. Go on in. I'll tell him you're coming.
Hey, Sarge! Open the door!
Thanks.
Good Lord, someone has arrived from the north. Did you run into any trouble along the way?
Wolves. Lots of wolves.
Figures. We usually have more troops available to patrol this road, but with them out of the country, it's hard to keep the mountain roads safe. Thanks for taking care of that for us. Do you have any information for me?
Yes, these requisition forms from Bracksford.
I imagine Olaf is running short on a few things by now. I'll be sure to have all of this delivered as soon as possible. Here's your 200 gold.
Thank you. Is there anything else?
Yes, while you're heading back through Bracksford, hand these over to Olaf. It's rather important.
Important enough to be paid for.
I like your style. We always stay our couriers, so no need to worry. I've written here that the mayor should give you 100 gold for this.
Very well, I shall do this for you.
That's the spirit. It should be an easy trip back.
We make it back to Bracksford, no problem. I must speak to the mayor once more.
Greetings. What news?
I made it through to Highmarch and delivered your papers. I also received some more documents for you.
Yes, I thought you might. We usually get something every other week. Anyway, let's have a look, shall we?
At the bottom it should say that you owe me 100 gold for delivering this, by the way.
Oh yes, here it is. Another job well done. Here's your money.
Thank you.
Now then, what orders? Oh dear.
What is it?
Highmarch wants the road to Kildeny open by the end of the week. That means we have to tackle this bandit problem right away.
Your soldiers are little more than boys and girls. They wouldn't stand a chance against an army of savages.
That's the problem. I can't afford to weaken our mega defenses around town, while the barbarian threat is still present.
Then why not attack them first?
I doubt that we could take on such a vast army as what has been assembled in the southern mountains.
It's probably a good time to mention that nearly all of the kingdom's military is out of the country, in case you hadn't figured that out yet.
Thanks, Colt. You're a real help.
Anytime, Vesin.
So what are we going to do about this situation?
I'm in a bit of a spot here, actually. Unless, of course, you were to help me out once more.
I had a feeling this was coming. You want me to clear the bandits out?
Put it as plainly as possible. Yes, this is of paramount importance to the people of this region, and so I'm willing to pay you 500 gold for the bandit leader's head.
500? Quite a handsome offer there. I accept.
Excellent. Be sure to get all the equipment you need before embarking, as this could be quite a dangerous assignment.
Of course. Will I need a pass to get through the north gate?
Actually, yes, you will. Thank you for reminding me. Here you go. Just show that to the guard. Good luck.
I shall return.
Karnarnar. What's that, Alex?
Alex? Doscious. It's got a great name. And I'll leave it at that.
Hey guys. If you like what you saw, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Alex, Doscious, whatever.